Hi, I'm Shivansh from Team Sagittarius, going over the second task pretty much, which is using the damped sine wave curve to use curve fitting for the damped sine wave curve that I got from this desmos.com website, which is pretty much the equation right here, a over b plus x times sine of 2 pi over c times x plus d. And these are the coefficient values that I'm using to get this curve. And then to fit that curve, using pretty much importing the necessary libraries, so numpy, scipy.optimize, and matplotlib.pyplot to plot the graphs. And here I'm defining the equation pretty much, which is uh, this equation right here pretty much is the same as this equation, which is defined under a function, as we can see, and for x in, which is pretty much will return a list, and then we're using x over 40 for x in range of 400, so the sample size gets a little smaller, and then y is just calling this function right here with this list. So pretty much this list will be right there, and then we'll for each value of x will work with these numbers to get y values in a list, pretty much. And then we're calling this op.curveFit function here to pretty much fit the curve to the data. So we're using the equation, which is this, and then giving the x and y values to that equation. And then we're plotting with x and y, and then x and equation of x with these values, which are from here. So this returns a tuple, I'm assuming, and then there's two, and creates a list, I think. But pretty much this gets all the values under POPT variable. There's the label, fetid data, and actual data, and then we're just giving x and y labels, showing the legend, and then plotting the graph. So when I run this code, this is the figure that comes up. So the blue dots are the actual data that was plotted using right here, and then the fitted data, which is the orange line, very closely follows the fitted data as well, which is right here. Um, and to see that the graph does look similar to the equation, I will have this pulled up right next to it. And as you can see, at 0, it's picking up at 1, and then there's a sine wave. So at 0 is picking up and then just getting more shrunken or shrinking by as the x time goes up. And then that is the end of my demo for the damped sine wave curve fit. And thank you.